Welcome to Evision, India's #1 leading HR and IT recruitment company. Join Evision, join job.
Hello everyone, today I'm here to share my experience with Evision. My name is Festus and I reside in Thane, Navi Mumbai, and I've completed my bachelor's in information technology from Mumbai University. And after the graduation, while I was looking for a job, I got to know about Evision from one of my friends, and I'm glad that I joined them on the 10th of June. After I joined them, they used to take regular mock sessions, which helped me boost up my confidence level. And as of now, I have been selected by Birlasoft for a job, and they have offered me a total of 2.6 lakhs of salary per annum. And I'm very grateful that I chose Evision to solve all my doubts from basic to latest technology. And I would say I'm very thankful to Evision team for their continuous support that they've provided me throughout this whole progress that took place. Thank you so much, Evision. Thank you.